How many ribs does the human body have? 24. What happens to a metal when it is heated? Expands. Which simple machine uses a rigid bar and a fulcrum? Lever. Which process is not part of the water cycle? Metamorphosis. Which of these is an example of kinetic energy? A moving car. Which of the following is not considered a form of energy? Gravity. What is the basic unit of digital data? Bit. What is the study of matter and its interactions called? Chemistry. What is the main component of natural gas? Methane. What is the approximate speed of light in a vacuum? (300,000 kilometers per second).